Okay, hi everyone. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to prepare to 3D print your CAD design product in Cura. So what we're going to do first, I've just opened Fusion. I'm just going to go over here to the data panel. And as you can see, all of these bits and pieces are basically everything that I've made previously and saved on Fusion. So I'm just going to go for this one. Just double click and it's time to open it. So we've got this weird shape. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go around and just double check that everything is exactly where I want it to be. Nothing's got double folds on it. It's all the right shape. I might also want to check, say, my clearance holes if I've got something like that. So this is a CO2 dragster, and I'm just going to check if that clearance hole is big enough for the canister. So go over to the measurement tool, click that, come down and check. So the diameter is 20 millimeters, perfect, so it should just slide in there. And alright, so I think that looks all good. I'm ready to go. So from here, just going to close that. I'm going to click Make. So hover over it, 3D print, Make. Click on that, and see how selection's got, it's highlighted but nothing's happening. We just want to click the object we want to 3D print. Go down here to double check that it's on Cura. If I want high, so I want it really high quality, I go high, but medium should be okay. Click OK. And now Cura will automatically open. And as you can see, it's put my 3D piece printed part on there already. Okay, so the next step is to make sure that it's in the right position, that it's going to get the best outcomes possible, so the best result. To do this, I am going to click on the part I want to move, and as you can see, there are different arrows here. So I can pull it up, I can pull it down, I can pull it across, all that. And over here it demonstrates where it is on the X, Y, Z axis. So at the moment I'm just going to make sure it's 0, 0, 0, so it should be sitting flat to the floor, right in the middle. So if I click on it again, I can also scale it if I like, so I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, so everything's in scale. For the moment, I just want it to be exactly the same size that I'd already made it, so it should be at 100%. And then, if we come down further, we can rotate it. So if we grab these different wheels, we can rotate it, move it to where we want. Just do Ctrl Z to return it where it was. Back we go. And I'm quite happy, actually I might rotate it so it's along lengthwise, so it's got a bit more space to it. Alright. And what I'm looking for is that I want the flattest part of my shape to be against the floor. So see how this has got a really nice base and it touches here again, it's really nice. That means it's going to make it a bit easier for the machine. Unfortunately I've got this undercut here, so that's where the support material is going to be. So basically it's going to print a really thin plastic to support the actual part, and that should be able to be pulled off afterwards because it's quite fine. But we want to use as little support material as possible, so we need to move it to the correct area. So that is pretty much the main things we need to know. That's alright, it's good to go. So that's how you prepare everything. I'll create another video in which I actually print in a little bit, so you guys can be ready to print off your products when you finish them.